Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're smoking St. Louis style ribs. Stick around, they're gonna be amazing. Now we're not gonna do a whole lot of trimming today, but we are gonna take this membrane off and square this end up a little bit. This is gonna be a super easy recipe here. Nothing's gonna be crazy. Get a paper towel. Pull off that membrane. Doesn't come off in one piece. Just go back and get the rest. For our rub today, we're going to use Pitmaster Harry Sue Love Meat Tender Slap Your Daddy Barbecue All-Purpose Seasoning Rub. Start on the back side first. Sprinkle it on all liberally. Alright guys, now it's time to go outside and get that zgrill smoker fired up. Alright guys, so today we're using some hickory pellets. We're going to turn this on. And let it heat up and get to 250 degrees. Alright guys, so this smoker is coming up in temp. We're going to go ahead and put these bad boys on. Shut that lid. These are no wrap ribs, guys. We'll see you back around 4 hours from now, maybe 4.5. Alright guys, so it's been 4 hours. I'm just gonna go ahead and check them out here. They look amazing. And get a little test here and fold on themselves. Yep, they're starting to fold. Just gonna check the tenderness here. Not temp, just tenderness. Oh, it's like butter. Butter. Sitting around 212. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on these bad boys. Make a barbecue sauce. You can buy barbecue sauce, whatever barbecue sauce you want. I'm just doing what we had left over from the 4th of July. Brush that on. Close this up and let it sit for another 10-15 minutes. Let that tack up, and I'll bring you back when we pull them off. Alright guys, so they have been sitting on here for another 15 minutes. looks and smells amazing. And it's time to pull them off. Nice. We're gonna let these rest for a little bit, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, guys. Here's my favorite part of this super simple rib recipe. The taste. Super juicy, moist, smoky, absolutely amazing. Guys, give this a try. Thanks for watching.